windstorm wreaked havoc at the National Stadium, Surulere, Lagos State on Wednesday as one of the pillars holding the floodlight in Terrace K of the stadium collapsed. The windstorm, which came with a heavy downpour, saw the weak pillar holding the floodlight cutting off from the middle and landed on the empty space, and in the process destroying all the floodlights. Although no life or injury was recorded, people attributed the incident to the long neglect of the facility, which was commissioned in 1972 under the administration of General Yakubu Gowon. However, a source in the sports ministry hinted that the collapsed part of the stadium was not part of the renovation going on at the edifice. The recent collapse was due to the heavy windstorm. Also, the ongoing repairs at the 51-year-old stadium do not cover floodlights and 16 other parts of the stadium that need urgent renovations after 19 years of neglect, a source in the ministry told correspondents.
Hey now. I don't know, it's there for. And all of them don't weak, they're not old now.
Maybe you go send this thing to me. I beg, this thing, my battery lay down. Yeah? If you send that to me, I'll send you a high message. Ah, man, this is
I'm gonna thank God though.
God is wonderful.
God, thank God it's not Saturday, Sunday. If it's Saturday, Sunday,
Saturday or Sunday.
if for the soy cars, yeah, Mercury.
I watched her live like this one before. Not be that, sir.
that place is not weak. I know say you are, because I know say around here.
I did that. They watch her. Even the first wave when they wave.